Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. In today's tutorial, we'll explore the Excel TEXTJOIN function. This powerful function allows you to concatenate or join a range of text strings with a specified delimiter. Let's jump right in. Let's understand the syntax of the TEXTJOIN function. The delimiter is a text string that separates the text values you want to join. The ignore empty argument specifies whether to ignore empty cells, and the text1, text2 are the text strings or ranges you want to join. Open your Excel workbook and locate your data. Make sure it's organized in a table or range. For this example, we have a table with first name, last name, and department. We want to join the three cells with a comma and space as the delimiter. Choose the cell where you want the result to appear. We'll use cell E2. Enter the TEXTJOIN formula displayed on the screen. This formula joins the text strings in cells A2, B2, and C2 with a comma and space, ignoring empty cells. Press Enter. The result in cell E2 should display Emma Johnson, HR. Instead of entering the cells we want to join, we can enter a range of cells into the formula. For example, cells A2 through C2. To apply the same formula to other rows, select cell E2 and drag the fill handle down to fill the formula for other rows. Another practical use is to combine full names where we use a blank space as the delimiter to combine first and last names. The result in this example is Emma Johnson. We can also combine data with different delimiters. For example, we want to combine the first name, last name, and department with a vertical bar as the delimiter instead of a blank space or comma. We can also combine data while ignoring any empty cells. To do this, we enter true into the ignore empty syntax of the formula. If any cell in the range A2 through C2 is empty, it will be ignored in the result. And that's it. You now know how to use the TEXTJOIN function in Excel to efficiently concatenate your data. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.